recently discovered a super cool feature, you know, like when everyone is zooming in on Instagram stories, and truly I didn't know how to do that. So since I discovered this feature, I decided to make this video and to share with you some of the really coolest and handy features on Instagram. Let's begin. What's up, Social Mafia? Welcome to #1 YouTube channel about social media marketing for businesses. And as I said in the beginning of this video, I'm going to share with you super cool tricks that I use every single day on Instagram. And let's begin with the trick #1, and it's dark mode of Instagram. Personally, I switched to the dark mode very recently, but I truly love it. It's easier to consume the content on the black screen, as well as to look through Instagram feed when it is dark and this white background is not bothering your eyes anymore, and my eyes really are not getting tired super fast as it used to be on the white mode. So, however, how you can do that? Let me show you how you can easily do that. This tip is working only for iPhone. I have no idea how to do it on Android, but I'm pretty sure that the settings are more or less similar. All we need to do is go to your iPhone settings basically, and then go to display and brightness and switch your color mode from light to dark. And let me show you how my Instagram is looking. It is pretty cool, and I personally like more the dark mode versus light mode, because it's, as I said already before, it doesn't bother your eyes not that much. All right, so the second tip is what I recently found out, and it's super useful. Oh my god, if you want to zoom in something while you make a story, and I used to make it with 2 fingers, and it's super uncomfortable because at the same time with your other hand you have to hold the phone, and you just not really used to do that, and it's super annoying. But I found another way how you can zoom in with using just 1 finger. So let me show you how to do that. Here is the story, and then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna press this white button, recording button, and I'm gonna hold it, and I'm gonna go up with my finger, hello, and then go down if I want to zoom out. So let me show you how to do that. So what you do is you press this button, you start to make a story, and then you go up or you go down. That is all. I personally find this feature super cool, and to be honest, it's like a lifesaver when you want to show something closer, the closer item, and zoom in and zoom out at the same time. That's pretty cool, huh? If you like this video so far, don't forget to smash this like button and subscribe to my channel if you're not yet, and hit the notification bell button to not miss any of my videos. The third trick that I want to share with you is super cool fonts that I personally use on Instagram without going to a website and then get a font and then copy and paste and whatever. I found an app which I personally use, which works the same way, and if you want to stand out with your branding, with your cool stories, and not just using the default fonts by Instagram, but you want to enhance and make something cooler with your stories, keep on watching. All right, so what we need is to find exactly these fonts that have S on the icon. And what you can do now is go to, for example, I want to use this font. You just write a text like subscribe. All right, and then you're just gonna copy the text, copy again, and then you go to your story. Let's make like this, and then I want to make a cool background like this, and the next thing I'm going to start writing and insert paste. That is all. And you have in this app really cool fonts that would totally will help you to stand will make you to stand out from the ordinary Instagram stories. Yeah, you can have a look, and I actually love this one as well. So you can start writing the phrase or a word, and then you can see how it's gonna look in different type of fonts. The next trick that I want to share with you is using super cool stickers. What I actually see that not so many people utilize stickers on stories. However, I think that stickers are super cool feature that helps you to make your story to stand out and to be much engaging, much cooler. And let me show you how you can find not just those boring stickers, but something cool. So we're here again at our Instagram, the previous Instagram story, and we go to stickers, and then we are going to search for GIFs. And then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just paste a smile of avocado. I want to paste avocado smile. Here you go, you can find all the avocado GIFs that exist. What else is super cool to find some really nice GIFs or stickers, how I call them, using Pinterest. We just go to Pinterest board. Some people create these GIFs themselves in a kind of a bundle that has the same style, and you are absolutely free to use them, but you just need to find them. So what we're gonna do here is go and find someone like Instagram GIFs. Okay, so here you can see some of the coolest one. For example, this one. All we need to do is start searching in the search bar the green dotori. Okay, let me try to find it. And here you go. You have here super nice smileys that totally will help you to stand out. And you just need to memorize these names, the creators or creators who gave this name to their bundle of stickers, GIFs, and go ahead and use them. Make your story to stand out and not be so boring. The next trick that I want to share with you is about IGTV. You probably know only one way how to upload IGTV, just using your phone, the Instagram app. However, if you treat this new feature of Instagram more professionally and you edit your videos using professional editing video programs, then it's gonna be more difficult for you to upload it on IGTV using the Instagram app. However, what you can do right now is to upload IGTV right from your desktop. For this, you need to go to Instagram desktop, choose the tab IGTV and upload an IGTV right from your laptop or computer. I personally think that this is a very useful feature because I personally edit my IGTV using Final Cut Pro, and then it's of course much easier for me to upload my IGTV right from the desktop to Instagram. And the last trick for today is turning your live photos to GIFs. Let me show you how to do that. So all we need to do is to go to your live pictures, live folder. All right, so I'm gonna choose this one, and now you need to swipe up and choose effect loop. That's very important. Okay, so now it's converted to loop. And then the next step, we go to Instagram story, and then we are going to select from live photos, and the one that we converted right is this one. Okay, here you go, your GIF is ready. That was it for today. I hope you learned something useful as well. If there is any questions, please let me know in the description box. And if there's any topics you want me to make my future videos, make sure to write them as well in the comment section, because I create content based on your requests.